According to the language policy in India, we will be today learning about the NCF 2005. The curriculum development process takes information from a subject matter expert and through such iteration creates instruction. But how does information from an expert get translated into educational content that is effective for learners? It goes through 4 steps of design. In each steps are important team members, including project manager, instructional designer, writer, copy editor, and subject matter experts. The team works together to create effective content. Let's have a look at the 4 steps in the curriculum development process. First is gathering information. The first step of the curriculum development process involves planning and determination who the learner is and what they need to get out of the material. The team begins by initially identifying what the scope is. Some examples of questions to ask at this stage are: who will take the course? What does the learner already know? What is their attitude towards the subject? Instructional designer then works with the subject matter expert and obtain the necessary information by asking many questions. With information in hand and a clear idea of the audience, the team moves on to the second step. It takes a team to develop excellent curriculum. Each step involves collaboration and constant iteration of the material. Interested in learning more about our approach to curriculum development, next is design. Now that the team has extracted the information and identified the learner, it is time to begin developing the content. Before designing the content, there needs to be clear objectives. Clear objectives include action words such as identify, modify, plan, and evaluate. As the instructional designer creates the objectives, they carefully connect them to the content. The objectives are measurable, which ensures that learning outcome can occur. The team examines the environment in which the content will be used. They ask questions such as: will the learner be accessing the material on their mobile phones or in a classroom? The team plans how to sequence the content and what delivery method to use. They perform research, search for appropriate material, and decide that graphs to use. Then building the content. The third step of the curriculum development process is to build the content into a workable instructional unit. The team combines written material with newly created graphics and, if needed, animation. As the material is being built, there is constant communication between team members. Copy editors work to keep the content consistent by ensuring the work is in the correct style and lines up with the learning objectives. Instructional designers check that the material will lead to measurable outcomes. Multiple Iteration occurs as material is discussed between team members. And the last point is evaluation. The final step of the curriculum development process is evaluation. Although the material has gone through the multiple iteration, it is evaluated once more. You should say that step 4 is present throughout each of the prior steps. Each team member from the beginning is constantly evaluating the material and ensuring that it serves the learner well. For example, the curriculum developer makes sure to match the learning objective against the material to ensure that the material will lead to measurable results. The project manager tracks all team members' changes and ensures that they incorporate all necessary edits and revisions. It takes a team to design an excellent curriculum. Each step involves collaboration and constant iteration of the material. As a result of this, teamwork and dedication to the learner, it is possible to build curriculum that leads to the desired learning outcomes.